A long, long time ago, in a sunny little town, there was a boy named Leo. One bright afternoon, Leo was walking through the park, whistling and munching on his favorite cookie. What a lovely day! But then, something caught his eye. It was a big, tall tree, with a shiny golden sign hanging on it. The sign said, "I am a magic tree. Say the magic words and you will see." Leo's eyes lit up. Magic? I love magic! So he clapped his hands and shouted, "Abracadabra!" He tried, "Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious!" Spun and even tried, "Tantara!" But the tree just stood there, quiet and still. Leo was tired. He sat down under the tree and sighed, "Please, dear tree, I just wanted to see some magic." Suddenly, whoosh! A secret door opened right in the middle of the tree. Leo peeked inside. It was dark, spooky, and very quiet. Then he saw another glowing sign. It said, "Carry on with your magic." So Leo smiled and said softly, "Thank you, dear tree." The inside of the tree lit up like 1,000 stars. A path appeared, and at the end of it was a mountain of toys and chocolates. "Oh, wow!" shouted Leo. But Leo didn't keep the magic to himself. He ran and called all his friends from the park. They all gathered around the tree, and guess what? When they all said together, "Please, dear tree," whoosh! The door opened again, and when they said, "Thank you, dear tree," the lights sparkled and the path appeared. They danced, played, and laughed all day long. Best party ever. And that, my little friends, is why grown-ups always say, "Please" and "thank you" are magic words, because they really are. Don't forget to say please and thank you today. Who knows? Maybe you will find a magic tree too.